Hi friends, it's day 3 for the Rust series. So today we have questions of we have to print, we have to use a function like get string length, and that takes an string as an input and we have to return its length. For example, simply we have to return the length of the string, given string. So let us take an example of let as equal to ABCD. Then you know what will be the output. The output will be 4 because there are 4 characters in this s variable, just like 1 a, 2 b, 3 c, and 4 d. Okay, so we just have to simply return the length of the variable. Okay, so let start doing this. Okay, first of all, let's create a main function. In main function, let's do like create a variable name s, like it will be string type, and it will be from, and what happened, now it will be abcd. Okay, now what will we do? We will simply print like println, the length is like the length of the given string. This is this, that means it will be s, not s, it will be get string length of s, because we'll make a function of name this. Okay, let's make the function and we will take string from here and we will do string, like it will be use size, and then we will do like s dot chars dot count, and then let's run cargo run. Yeah, this is the output, like the output is 4. That means a, b, c, g, there are 4 character in this letter. If I just change like aditya, it is just a 7, so the output may be 7. Let's see, cargo run. Yeah, the output is 7. So this much for code. Let me explain it line by line. So what it does? Okay, first of all, what this function does, this function simply takes the character, simply it will take the string from the main function s, so it will take. Okay, and this is the type of the function, that is a string. And then now what it will do, it will take the string from the main function and it will simply return every character and then count it how much it is. Okay, that is the main function of this function get string length. Okay, now what the main function do, the main function simply create a length like let s equal to aditya, and this is the type of like string colon colon from, it is the type of string that you can declare. There are several types that you can declare a string. So now what it will do in print ln. Okay, now it will simply it I just simply let an string name aditya, and it will simply call the function of get string length and simply just print the entire length. Okay, so this is a simple piece of cake code, and I will simply push this code to the github, and my github url will be on I will put the url of my github, that you can find every code in there, so you don't have to face that much tense. So let me drop my, I will drop my github in description, but for current situation you can write like github.com/aditya kukumar. This is my github, so I will drop in description. So thank you so much for watching.